how to send WhatsApp message to all contacts. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our WhatsApp, and then once you're now here, on the bottom right corner of the screen, just click the plus icon which is right here. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to look for new broadcast. So typically, you will find it right here below the chat with AIs. But if you don't see it right here, the next thing that we need to do is to just go on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three dots, which is right here. So just click that and then click new broadcast. Once you click new broadcast right there, all you have to do is to select the contacts that you want to use. So you will typically see it right here. So just select them. And then after that, once you're now done, just click the check button right there. And then once you click the check button, all you have to do is to paste the message that you want to send. And then after that, just click the send button. And then once you go back into your homepage, you will now be able to see it right here. So you will see that you have now already sent it to multiple contacts on WhatsApp. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to send WhatsApp message to all contacts.